camera. Oh, hey, go ahead, Pick Rick. What you doing in there? Oh, hey, what's up? Didn't see y'all guys there. So we back at the shop today. You know, gonna be doing a couple little updates to the Datsun. I think today we're gonna do the quarters, and he's gonna be mounting the skins to the door permanently, so y'all can see that. You know what? I feel so good right now. I don't even know what to say. Let's just get straight to it. Let my man Tim do his thing.
Yeah. What does that look like to you? I don't know who designed your track, New Jersey Motorsports Park, but
yeah, that
looks like a limp dick to me.
Yeah, that elbow grease. Look at this. Greg is about to do his first video.
Bro, this is about to be fire, son.
Got his tripod set up. Ain't that cute? Got his little bro video mic. Screen flip backwards. Oh, snaps.
Jelly?
I'm assuming.
To a YouTube channel near you. Me and the Lexus.
Guess that didn't go as planned.
Isn't this made in Baltimore?
You drinking that first celebratory beer.
That 1,000 subscriber beer right here.
Hey, Brewer's Art.
Brewer's Art. Shout out to Baltimore, Maryland.
We all about showing that home love. I ain't from Baltimore, but from Maryland, so.
From what? Bowie? I'm from
Nah.
50 minutes outside of Baltimore.
I'm a DC
nobody
native.
knows what the fuck. Bitch, you live in Baltimore.
Nah.
Bowie, or you live in Maryland.
I'm in the
Bowie,
DMV.
Maryland.
If you ain't got no metro, you ain't the DMV. Ah, you stuck. He knew he was wrong when I said that. Talk about me tea. Jesus.
315.
You make me want to get 315 now. How's she looking?
She's looking good.
Focus game on 1,000.
She's all taped up. I just gotta get 2 bags for the suspension, and then it's on to waxing.
All right, man. Let them know what we doing today.
All right, so we did all the body work, basically smoothing out the new panels I've connected since that corner was all messed up. We were talking about before. I also filled in all the little holes and everything that we're gonna need to plug up, so we can lay the first coat of resin once we wax and do all of the same steps, and lay the first coat of carbon tonight.
The same old shit.
And then as soon as the resin starts to dry, since it's gonna take a couple hours to tack up enough to be able to lay the carbon on it, we're gonna go ahead and strip the rest of the paint off the inside of this door. I've already laid the one-step rust prevention stuff, and that's basically what we're looking for.
Oh, so you did.
All the paint's been stripped off this one. It's got the rust converter stuff on it, and it's got a coat of the etch primer. Whenever using bare metal, you need to use etch primer because etch primer adheres to bare metal correctly, whereas like other primers won't. So that's the plan for today.
Back at it with that Pardo paste. Wax on, wax off.
Wax on.
That fresh batch of Pardo paste. So you can get that haze. If I ain't watched the videos before, then go watch it. Y'all understand what Pardo paste is. I feel like I should just show y'all the magic that's coming soon. You know what? We'll just show you something anyway. That's the release agent. Once again. And that's so your parts can release off your mold. Look at that. I ain't even know nothing about carbon before. And now I feel like I can go do this at home. Just got the Sigma 16 1.4 to match up with my 6300. Majority of the footage from today is shot on this. I mean, you'll pretty much see the difference in quality. Yo, this is a nice lens. Being able to just like drop down my aperture to like 1.4 to 1.7-ish, so beneficial. So anybody that like camera stuff and want to record, yo, this is a good little combination. I really don't care about in-body stabilization, so reason why I went with the 6300. So whatever, let's get back to the car stuff. Just thought I'd let y'all know.
Hair's gotta get the fuck out.
Look at that drip.
Look at that fucking hair.
Almost ready for layer one?
Yeah, so all the resin's set. I have to let this sit for an hour and a half, let it tack up. As soon as you can put a fingerprint into it, but it won't leave any residue on your finger, then it's good to go. You lay the first layer on. But while we're waiting for this to tack up, we'll go mess with the door some more. So now we got pretty much all of the metal, metal cleaned off, all the old paint. The only thing that we have left is the one-step rust converter stuff. So what we're gonna do is spray the primer on all the bare metal, and then we're gonna flat black it all. We're gonna grind just the inside lip right here, where we can attach the epoxy to the actual carbon fiber door skin.
You know it's about to go down when you pull out the 1 minute epoxy. Correction, that was 5 minutes.
Of a border so I can sand all this so the epoxy can actually grab to something, because it's like uses a mechanical grip, not like an adhesive grip. So I don't start sanding into there, which I won't, but better keep it clean. And then I'm going to grind the outside of that, the freshly painted shell, just where the actual epoxy is going to get. If you grind any wider than you're actually going to epoxy, you got to make sure you cover it, because otherwise you got bare metal and then it's going to rust. But luckily this is a 48-year-old door, and there's like pretty much no rust on it at all. It's awesome. There's 2 little tiny spots on the other door, but we got them all good. So let's do it.
Yeah, I'm ready for that epoxy.
Can't wait to weigh it. Compare it to the stock door. Start taking bets. How much you think we lost?
18 pounds.
18 pounds less? That's actually a good amount. I'm gonna say 20. Just so I can beat you. It's like, it might end up being like 15 or 13. Shit, 10 I'd be happy with. But the whole window track, the door panel, the whole inside metal of the door, the outside shell, glass is now plexiglass. We'll see.
Well, I should be like dead on 18, and I second guess my answer.
Right. I'm gonna say 20.
As y'all can see, them fingerprints is here. So time to lay that first layer of carbon, son.
So a good tip for when you're trying to cut your carbon fiber fabric is basically get the length you want out of just one side. Make sure this side's straight. And if you go and you can see the end here, there's like a little string here that's holding the rest of that. You clip the string and grab just one fiber, or maybe 2, and hold it. And then just pull that one fiber out. We'll grab 2, just make it even easier. Then you can see the line all the way up it, and that'll make you exactly square. You're not cutting diagonal, and then that also keeps it from fraying too much. Because if you start cutting diagonal, then you have more layers of the mesh that are gonna then eventually start peeling up. This only has the outside layer that can then fall off. What you can also do is once you cut it, you can run some masking tape around the edge of it. But if you want it to be able to twist a good bit, then I would leave it unmasked on the edges. Make sure you got a little bit of extra. Coats of carbon on each quarter, just like we did with the roof. But so unlike the door skins, which were 4 layers, we're going to eventually do the last layer. But once we get both the quarter and the roof glued on to the actual frame of the car, then we're going to lay the last coat of carbon that I have an extra wide, 60-inch wide roll of carbon weave. We'll run 1 layer across the roof, cut it down the middle, and then try and get 1 hole, like split it between the 2 quarters. We'll see if I can get it in 1 single piece. If not, I'll probably just do 1 piece, end it here, and then do the last piece. But that'll be once it's actually on the car.
Once again, y'all know what it is. You know, we're gonna get ready to conclude it up for the day. Since we already got the last layer down. Since we got the first layer down of the carbon quarters. And yeah, if y'all not subscribed, make sure y'all hit that button ASAP, because it's a lot more to go. Like I said before, we out.